communicate about the things that we have to eliminate, the ignorance and poverty to eradicate. The ghetto people them to educate. Yo, don't you try to politicize. Don't say Bobby whining. Sensitize, desensitize. I know my people must realize the most important thing. Truly, but it begins in your mindset. To free ghetto people, they must educate. But education is expensive to get down. People power. Our power. NUP. Everywhere. Before you sit down, ladies and gentlemen, I want to remind you why we think music is very important. Our ancestors saw it. We see it. Our posterity, the next generation will see it. Music is very important. It was used during the days of slavery, used during the days of fighting against colonialism, used in the days of fighting apartheid. We use it during the days of fighting dictatorships. Because music is sound. Sound is vibration. Vibration is a vibe. Vibrations make things happen. It was a vibration that made you conceived. It's a vibration that moves everything, so we must maintain that vibration. Allow me to start with a vibration of hope to everybody around here. Selector David, talk to me now, man. Can't talk to me. All right. So this is to empower you and to give you all hope, ladies and gentlemen. Listen to me. I can see your face and the tears in your eyes. Everything shows you want to give up, and I can feel your pain, your grief, your fears, and your frustrations. You got to be strong. Never let your troubles, no can keep you down. You got to rise up. Think about tomorrow. Look beyond your fears. There are days when the sky is not blue, and everything is a sign of doom. Trust in God, believe in Him. Trust in God and believe in Him. No beyond. One day everything is gonna be fine. Everything gonna be fine. One day everything will be right. One day everything is gonna be fine. Everything gonna be fine. Exactly, everything will be right. Let me tell you this. I'll say you will overcome every situation. It seems impossible until it's done. Better days must come and the sun will shine. No matter how dark the night has been, nobody will have a right to kill another man. Poverty and misery will be in the past. Hospital with good medication. All ghetto youth will have a chance to go school. No more shedding of blood on the streets. No more human rights violation. No more hunger, no more drones. Everybody will have the opportunity. One day everything is gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. I tell you, everything will be alright. Everything's gonna be fine. Auntie, everything is gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. Echo, everything will be alright. Everything's gonna be fine. Kamamuno, everything is gonna be fine. Godamu, everything's gonna be fine. Kamamuno, it will be alright. Remember, your pain is not in vain. That is why give us the experience. What doesn't kill you makes you strong. Never give in to the negativity. I say one day you will look back and smile, and you will have a story to tell. Endurance, perseverance. The harder the squeeze, the sweeter the juice. Are you feeling nice? Remember in life there are ups and downs. Never give in to the dictatorship, no. One day Museveni will be no more. Everything gonna be fine. One day all of them will be gone. Put it down now. People power. Our power. Please take your seats, ladies and gentlemen. Why?